Cameras here. I'm on the north side of Chicago. I came here to do some shopping. I came looking for an Eli's cheesecake. My kid expressed a desire for a cheesecake, particularly the one that has like the raspberry on top. And he is picky. He's picky like you would not believe. So anytime I find something that he likes, that I get it for him. So yeah, here I am. I happen to be in this north side. Hit a Mariano's. I don't think they have it, but look what I found next to my car when I left. It's kind of gross. Oh, there you go. What's up? I just a videotape because it's to me it's just like
animal, yeah.
I'll admit it. I'm just impressed at the size.
Yeah. Wow.
But I was thinking because of the
How did I not see that when I got here?
Oh, wasn't is this yours?
Yeah.
And you were it wasn't there.
No.
Okay. I was just here.
Or I didn't notice it.
Or you didn't notice it. How could you? Where you need glasses? You need to go to Pearl. You need to go get your eyes examined.
Oh my god. Because that was definitely here the whole time. But
you need to go get your eyes examined. You drive too? And you drive.
Yeah.
And you didn't see that.
Guess I wasn't looking.
You wouldn't see a child, would you? If we were driving, would you see a child if they happened to run in front of the road?
I guess not.
Okay. Anyway, the thing I was kind of pointing out was that there's a possibility, because that's kind of like the third one I can kind of recall with this whole pandemic thing, that there's times with a lot of bathrooms are closed. You go to a lot of stores, CVS are closed, and if people gotta go, they gotta go.
That doesn't look human.
You don't think that's human?
I'm not gonna check it out. That's gross.
It's almost like two tones. What's up?
Nice.
All right. Take care, sir. You're not diabetic, are you? Sometimes diabetes affects your ability to see. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it. So it wasn't him. He wasn't him. He says he didn't see it. I'm concerned for him because he's driving. It's a Jeep, I think that is. That's not a toy car, you know. It's not like a small car, any car really, but that car especially, he could hit a young child if he didn't see that. So yeah, but my theory is that because of the a lot of bathrooms are closed. Doesn't make sense, especially if you go to the woods. I've been to the woods and the bathroom is closed. I don't get that. Granted, you're in the woods, you kind of expect to see something like that. But it doesn't make sense to me that the bathrooms would have to be closed, especially for the customers. Okay, I get it. You're trying to limit the people coming and looking for a bathroom, but if you know, it just doesn't seem right. If I had a business, I'd rather let them use a bathroom than have to deal with cleaning that up, because I'm pretty sure that whoever did that is not going to come back and clean it up. That's my rant. I'm gonna try to I'm gonna figure out how to put this on YouTube without getting my channel messed up. I'm gonna try to censor it. So yeah, I'm gonna see how I can research that too. All right, so yeah, so if you see this video that I figured it out, I'm gonna talk to Disorderly to see if he would even know how to go about that. All right, actually I might do it myself, because I kind of have to learn how to spread my own wings and fly. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.